What's the comedy? $1, no, $100.
The thing you bring back.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. So gorgeous.
Oh, pictures, yes, please. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, madam. Happy birthday to you.
You're gonna win the voice one
day.
Doing pageants have come a long way, and I'm glad that yours is focusing on educating the women. I know a lot of other pageants also look at empowering women and all of that, and that should be at the heart of it, just not to show beauty, but to show how multidimensional women are, you know, and helping them to achieve those other dimensions beyond the looks. And that's exactly what you're doing. So I bet once you go and win, when you win, you're going to also inspire many other women behind you, girls who look up to you as well and say, well, if they can do it, I can do it as well, to show that women are powerful and women can be change makers and global leaders. And we've seen many women who've gone through pageants, and I know part of the rigor is to teach you confidence and how to speak and how to carry yourself in public, and all of that comes together to make the woman a whole person, you know, with refining all the rough edges and getting them ready for the world stage. So it's great to meet you, and I wish you the very best. Thank you for coming to wish me happy birthday as well.
I would like her to sing a happy birthday for you.
Oh, thank you. Your blessing means a lot.
Yes.
It really does.
It does. Remember this.
Yes, the experience at Miss Grand Ghana had been amazing. Again, like following in your footsteps. The pageant, of course, took over 2 weeks, and it was really beautiful to see the way that we created a sisterhood, and all of the women really bonded with each other, but also to see everyone come out of their shell. You know, the first day, a lot of people were a bit more shy. Even as we were rehearsing on stage, people were holding back a bit, but by the final days, it was really beautiful to see and very inspiring. So as I go to Miss Grand International, I know it's important, not only am I representing myself and representing Ghana, but all of the other women who competed with me.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Pretty lady. Oh my God, so pretty. You're gorgeous. Thank you so much. Thank you.
So I'll do the formal introduction. This is Abna Ekwaba, the first Ghanaian to win Miss Grand International, and she brought the franchise to Ghana, and this is her third win.
This is my fourth win.
Thank you. And we did an event on Saturday at the National Theatre, and we selected her to represent Ghana in Thailand in October, right?
Yes.
October. So you can take it.
Yes, so she will be going. First of all, it's a pleasure to meet you. I've seen everything that you do for women empowerment, and we admire you so much. We're actually trying to follow in your footsteps. So it's a privilege to be here. Thank you so much for taking the time to see us. But yes, she's my fourth queen. She's my second diaspora queen. So in 2020, I represented the USA actually. So I won Miss Grand United States of America. That time, Miss Grand Ghana did not exist. So I couldn't have competed for Ghana. So I went for Miss Grand USA. I won Miss Grand USA, and then I went to Miss Grand International, competed with about 100 women from around the world, and then I won, becoming the first Black woman to win Miss Grand International. So after doing that, I looked to my left and to my right, realized there was no Ghana, and then African countries were just about 2 or 3. So I always wanted to get back to my country, so I was like, okay, you know what? Let me purchase a franchise, go back home to Ghana, and then give Ghanaian women the opportunity to also make an appearance at Miss Grand International. You know, it's amazing. Like I'm selling my country. Ghana needs to be able to sell their country too. So I did that. I brought it home. Had my first pageant, was a success. My second pageant, the winner went, and she didn't win, but she was able to win the Grand Voice Award. The third one also went, and she won Best in Evening Gown. So now I'm hoping that the fourth one will go and actually bring home the crown this time. She has an amazing voice, and I just really love the fact that everybody has been so supportive, and the show was also amazing as well. So I want to bring her to say hello to you, and also we're doing amazing with my pageant. It's not just like any other pageant in Ghana. We are gifting girls education. So we partnered with Get Booty. So basically every single girl that competes at Miss Grand Ghana is now entitled to study under cybersecurity or data analysis, all paid for within the next 3 months. And if they're able to pass, our next sponsor and case consultant will now place them in international job markets. So now they're earning global income living in Ghana. That is a major change for their lives, and that's what we are offering to Ghana and Ghanaian women. It's brilliant. Thank you.
Faith Maria Porter, and I am Miss Grand Ghana 2025.
My name is Abina Ekuaba Apia, and I am the National Director of Miss Grand Ghana and Miss Grand International 2020.
The question will come before.
So today, what brought you to Madam's office?
So today we came to pay a courtesy call and also to wish her a happy birthday. Faith was crowned 2 days ago on the 16th of August, and we have to come and say a proper hello and a proper thank you for being the amazing person that she is.
For someone who's watching, can we know the relationship between you and the former first, second lady?
So we don't have a relationship, we just love what she does. We love the fact that she's all about women empowerment, and that's what we do too with our pageant. So we're here to pay a courtesy visit and to show respect.
Faith, now you are the face of Ghana when it comes to Miss Grand Ghana. How do you feel? How does that mean to you?
It makes me feel blessed. It makes me feel extremely blessed, not only because it is a big responsibility to represent Ghana at the international stage, but because of the people who have been there to support me along the way. And I know it is my goal to have the first placement for Ghana at Miss Grand International. I've had an amazing team and a lot of people who have been here training and supporting me.
So as a winner of the Grand Ghana, Madam has done a lot for women empowerment. You being a woman, what are you going to do to emulate her leadership skills?
The most important thing that I really want to do is start more mentorship programs. One of the biggest things that I do is I am an arts educator, and I have created many programs that allow people who are interested in working with the arts, and I connect them with people who are currently working in careers in the arts and give them opportunities. So I think the best way to instill confidence in women is by providing those opportunities.
So what do you tell future ladies who are coming up?
I would tell them to believe in themselves and not let one failure deter you from your future success. I have had 6 years in pageantry, and this is my first national title, and I know that more is coming for me, and I've only had this success because I've used every single failure to help propel me forward. So for all of the women out there who are feeling down on themselves, who are struggling with confidence, I want them to look at me and as Miss Avina as an inspiration.
Thank you.
Ms. Abina, your final words, please.
I, just like Faith said, it is very important to believe in yourself and keep on pushing. I've been competing in pageants since I was 3 years old, and I received my international crown only in 2020. So many women want to be queen, but only a few are chosen. You can be part of that few, but you just have to be determined. You have to be focused. There's so many things that will happen in terms of failure, but you have to use that as a stepping stone to make yourself better. In order for you to become successful, you have to fail before. So you have to keep on pushing and know exactly what you want, because the sky is the limit, and there's nothing in this world that you cannot achieve if you put your mind to it.
Miss Grand Ghana, you're welcome.
Thank you.
Take up.
Prayer that the good Lord will continue to bless her, grant her with all her heart's desire. And in the coming years, 2028, Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia will win the general election in this country and will be sworn in on 7 January 2029. Inshallah.
We are protecting our guys. We'll guide them not to threat.
The bulldozer!
But they will speak their mind.
Yes.
And also criticize.
Yes.
What is wrong is wrong.
Yes.
What is right is
It's
right.
right, yes.
You promise to do a lot of things. If you are not doing it, the masses must set their mind.
Thank you.
So MPP bloggers, MPP TikTokers, please be them. Nyame any kesem that must make
Forward! Hero! Incoming! One!
Hero. Nyame any kesem. They can't.
Abor Kasa, so my can
2020.
Moment.
For being here with a section of TESCON. Oh, somebody said. A section of TESCON executives and students. I'm very touched. You said you didn't bring anything physically. Your presence is my present. So I'm grateful for your thoughtfulness and for your well wishes. And I know you're doing a lot of good work for us. God bless you all for it. Send your pie bonus of coin, Uncle Pom on your mind. And like her beard. Uncle Pom, yeah, you just see and you see a I am very gun. I'm grateful for your support, for your hard work, for your partnership, and for your resolve. Because you might be brave, but you are resolved to work for truth, to work for the person who can win us the next election, which is His Excellency Dr. Mahmoud. Thank you so much. God bless you all. And shit. Maybe I'm because we'll start moving and going around. But in the meantime, keep doing what you're doing, and let's have faith. Say, January 31st, inshallah.
Yes, Repan said, 2029 Urban. Yepe, Oyakumaso. Me and Beji na yɛbɛsa bɛhyia mu biem ɛne sɛ yɛ maame bɛyɛ first lady ɛwɔ man Ghana mu. Yesu banimram. Obi biara wɔn pɛ Ghana yie ɛna wɔn pɛ sɛ yɛ maame ba bɛyɛ first lady. Nti saa nkurɔfoɔ no nyinaa ɛsɛ brɔmase. Yesu brɔmase. Ɛda wase sɛ ɔyɛ nkunimdifoɔ na abɛkɔ so ɔyɛ nkunimdifoɔ ama Yesu Kristo tumi nti. Amen.